Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. As you guys can tell, I have a very new look. And as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this platinum kind of icy, kind of grayish blonde wig. It is a lace front and it is under $80. So if you guys want to know all about this hair, then just keep on watching. Before we get started, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys want more videos like this and you like me doing like more affordable hair. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos and let me know in the comments down below if you like this look on me. I'm actually obsessed. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. So the wig that I'm rocking today is from a company called Hair.com, and the wig that I'm wearing is their white blonde synthetic lace front wig. I will have it linked down below, and this wig is $79.99. This wig is 24 inches and it is 150% density. It says it's heat resistant, synthetic fiber, platinum blonde. I'll have the link to this wig as well as all the information listed in the description box below. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know I don't really wear synthetic wigs. I usually just invest in human hair wigs. I just haven't found a synthetic wig that I feel like looks natural, feels good, is great quality. Like, I feel like a lot of them look super synthetic. But guys, I am so obsessed with this hair. I was not even gonna do a video on this hair. The company did send me this wig, so thank you so much to Hia Hair, and they just kind of asked like if I could mention it or you know, post like some Instagram photos, and I wasn't planning on doing an entire video on it. But when I got this wig in the mail, guys, and I tried it on, I literally installed it, styled it, everything, I was like, I have to do a video because everyone needs to know about this wig and I need to tell all of my subscribers about this wig because it's literally amazing. I feel like the thing with synthetic wigs is they tend to look shiny. I feel like the front of them just don't look natural. I feel like the hair quality itself, like they're either like soft in like a doll kind of hair way, but not in like a soft like natural hair kind of way. And I just want to say that I literally did nothing to this hair. Now, I did things to the perimeter. I cut a little bit of baby hairs and I installed it, and I cut like these hairs a little bit shorter, but I did nothing to this hair. I did not cut this. There's like shorter parts. I did not do this. This hair came like this. I did not add dry shampoo, baby powder, anything. This hair, as you guys can see, is not super shiny. I'm gonna come closer. Hopefully it's not coming up shiny because I have like a ring light behind me, but this hair is not shiny at all. Like, it literally looks like a good healthy human hair kind of look. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how the ends look. It's like nice and natural looking. I'll sit up for you guys so you guys can see the actual length of the hair on me. It's so long, it's so thick and beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you guys can see what it looks like from the back. On the side. This hair is just so nice, guys. Like, I'm literally obsessed with it. I was so obsessed with it that I installed it with like semi-permanent lace glue, like, you know, the glue that I usually install my human hair wigs on, the ones that last kind of about like a week, just because I'm so obsessed with this. Like, I feel like it looks so good. Like, let me show you guys up close. I did not pluck it or anything. I just cut in these baby hairs, and as you guys can see, also it does come with ear-to-ear lace. Now, there's probably on like around the ear part about 2 inches of parting space, as you guys can see. And in the center, there's like maybe about 3 inches of parting space. And it also did come with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the middle, and adjustable straps in the back. But I personally hate using combs. I feel like they're just not good. I had a bad experience where I used them and they kind of like thin my hair. So I always cut out the combs before I install a wig just so it doesn't pull on my hair at all underneath or anything like that. But if you guys did not want to wear this wig like permanently and you just wanted to throw it on, it does have the combs if you wanted to use them and not like use any adhesive or anything. I'm gonna update you guys. Definitely follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see like more photos of the wig, because I am obsessed. I'm gonna be rocking this for at least a week to see. So if you guys want an update video on how this wig held up for like wearing it a week straight, definitely leave a comment down below. So if you guys want me to try like synthetic wigs on my channel just to give you guys my opinion and style them or anything like that, also leave a comment down below, because that's that's something that I can try out. This definitely changed my mind about synthetic wigs. Not that I ever had a bad opinion about them, but I personally just always felt like I'd rather just get a human hair wig. I feel like they always look more natural. And when I say natural, like, don't get me wrong, I do not think this looks like it's my hair and it grew out of my scalp. But I mean natural in terms of the hair is not so shiny, it doesn't look costumey. I mean natural in terms of the hairline isn't like, it doesn't look so wiggy, you know what I mean? Like, obviously, I mean, I don't really think this looks like it grew right out of my scalp. I think it looks decent. I think no one would be looking like double taking at me thinking I look crazy. But that's kind of what I mean when I'm saying natural. Obviously, this is not my hair, but I'm just obsessed with it, guys. Like, what do you think? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Also, if you guys get this wig, definitely like tag me in pictures or send me pictures and show me how you guys style it. Sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm like obsessed with this. I literally just installed this wig. Like, I was playing around with it like all earlier and things like that, but I literally just installed it, like, you know, glued it down and everything like that. And the glue that I used was like the 30-second glue, something like that. I usually use the B&B lace glue, but they didn't have anymore at my beauty supply store, so yeah. But obviously when you get a synthetic wig, it's different maintenance than a human hair wig. I feel like it's lower and high maintenance in different ways in terms of when you get a human hair wig, half the time the hair, like, it acts as human hair. So if you go outside and it's humid, it might get a little frizzy, or if you straighten the hair and you go outside again, it might not stay pin straight, things like that. So the thing about a synthetic wig, which I like, is that however it's styled, it's most likely going to stay that way, unless you go out of your way to change the style. So even like these loose waves, I've literally been brushing them all day, like brushing them, and I'm like waiting for them to completely fall out, but they have not. Even like how soft the hair is and how it feels and the texture, it doesn't change. So in that aspect, and also I'm not putting any product on this hair at all, so I feel like I'm not gonna have to wash it like for the longest time unless like I start putting product in it or anything like that. So in that aspect, it's way more low maintenance. But as we all know, synthetic hair tends to tangle a little bit. Oh, I do want to point out, this hair does not shed. Like, I'm literally like trying to pull at it to see if it'll shed, because I'm kind of like, wait, why are you not shedding? Like I was saying, because this is a synthetic wig and because it's so very long, you are gonna get snags, you are gonna get tangles. So I definitely recommend, if you're wearing this for a long period of time, keep a brush or a comb in your bag. Constantly run your fingers through it, especially in the back neck area. This happens with human hair wigs too, and weaves. The back neck area sometimes tends to get a little, you know, tangled, or you might get little snags. And then through the ends and things like that, I would just constantly run my fingers through, and if it's getting obviously a little more tangled, just go ahead and brush it through. Oh, I guess the curls are kind of falling. I feel like they are, but I've been brushing through them all day. I've kind of been waiting for them to fall because I kind of think I want to straighten this. I think it'll look so good, like pin straight. Good. Also, this wig is 150 density, and I feel like that is very true. I feel like super long wigs you would expect to be on the thinner side, but this wig is 150 density and it definitely feels like it. This wig is really thick, as you guys can see. I'm like squeezing and there's a lot of hair here. Again, it's just so nice. Like, I really have nothing bad to say about it. Again, it's a synthetic wig though, so like I said, I do have to brush through it more often than I would a human hair wig, but I feel like that also comes with the length. But yeah, guys, for $80, I'm literally obsessed. So yeah, I definitely recommend this company. I researched them before I agreed to receiving the wig, and honestly, no one has anything bad to say about the hair. Everyone always says the same thing. It does not look shiny. The hair like feels so soft, and it honestly resembles like human hair so well. It's kind of like amazing. Like, I'm literally in shock. But yeah, I definitely recommend this company. And again, guys, they didn't even know I was making a video. They didn't tell me to make a video. They didn't send me a script. These are all my own opinions. And as you guys can see, I told you I installed this to last in my hair for at least a week with like some semi-permanent hair glue. So obviously, I like it enough to install it in my head. Know if you guys like this hair on me down below. And again, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. If you guys check out Hey Wigs, and if you guys get any wigs from them, definitely send me a picture or tag me in your post. I'd love to see, because I'm so obsessed. They also offer a lot of different colored wigs, like the pastel wigs that are kind of trending. But they also do offer like natural colored wigs, like dark like brown, black. They even have like more natural looking blonde wigs. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, again, I'll have everything linked down below for you guys to check out. Also, I did want to mention quickly, as you guys can probably tell, I'm not uploading daily anymore. I do start school next week. So I decided, just because I've been busy with like my own fashion design stuff, and because school's gonna start next week, I'd get into a new routine, and I think I'm gonna upload every other day. So yeah, I still want to upload very frequently, but every day is just a little hard, especially when school starts back up. So yeah, I hope you guys can understand. I hope you guys are still excited about more frequent uploads than usual, because you guys know I was only posting once a week last semester. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.